ኦሳ ፕሮግራሙን የሚያቀርበው ወይ በኦሮምኛ ነው ወይ በእንግሊዘኛ ነው በህጋቸው ማለት ነው። በታሪካቸው ለመጀመሪያ ጊዜ በአማርኛ እንዳቀርብ ፍቃደኝነት የሰጡት ለኔ ነው። እንግዳ ተቀባይ ጎንበስ ቀና ብሎ ያበላ እስከና ብሎ ያበላ።
Our second panelist is Ermiyas Laggasaa ዋቅጅራ. If there is anyone who is in a better place to speak about the Addis Ababa master plan, it should be Ermiyas. Ermiyas was Addis Ababa City Council for 3 times for over 10 years in the past. He was Addis Ababa EPRDF Office Executive Committee, and he was also Chief Government Representative of Addis Ababa City, Addis Ababa City. And he was also State Minister of Government of Communication in the past. Ermiyas is going to make his presentation in Amharic today. I would invite Ermiyas here at the podium.
በጣም አመሰግናለሁ።
Abbaa was born in Bishoftu. He grew up in Bishoftu. As he writes about himself, breathing the air, drinking from the many lakes of Bishoftu, playing with Oromo children in Bishoftu. Simply put, his personality was shaped by Bishoftu. He's not only a citizen of Bishoftu, he claims that he is also an Oromo by choice. As you all know, he writes in Amharic, not because that is his preferred language, but that's the one that he's used to. So he writes in Amharic, his books are in Amharic, and he's going to speak in Amharic. If need be, we will translate it at the end. Well, with that, I'll ask you to give him a warm welcome. Let's start.
አመሰግናለሁ። ዶክተር ኢብራሂም እልሞ፣ ፕሮፌሰር መሐመድ ሐሰን እንዲሁም መላው የኦሳ አባላት ቦርድ አባላት ለሁላችሁም ስለጋበዛችሁኝ አመሰግናለሁ።
እስከና ብሎ